Light, peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. This is an example of your garden. This is one of the last plants left. I mean, and you'll ask, why does it look like that? It looks so awful condition because one, through the narcissists here, and that with the staff members that work here in this building. I used to have it out in the front, on the outside, but they said you can't leave it out there. And I had this light. Let me show y'all. This light right here, this light fixture. And when I go to press the button to cut it off, the light went out with that. So you see it's flickering. Can y'all see it on there? Can y'all see it on there? There it is. Yeah, so this is the last, this is a butternut squash. I know it's pretty sad. You know what? I think this is most definitely a reflection of the environment as far as I need to leave. I need to leave. This is not a growth place. The narcissists, they most definitely hated the plants, most definitely because it was growth and self, because we're witnessing growth and experiencing growth. Just the bum bitch was wanted to threaten, like she said she's gonna throw it away. Just what would happen if that bitch would happen? What would happen to that bitch if she had did so? But just wanted to show y'all this. As far as an example too, because my biological father, as much as he complained about these plants, one time he was knocking on the door. This is when we were staying in his room, bitch ass. Anyways, we were staying in his room. He went over to what do you call it? Golly, look at this. This is kind of sad, bro. I gotta cut this. I gotta remove this, but yeah, look at that, dead leaves, cuz, you know what I'm saying, dead freaking leaves. Look at that, get rid of the dead, so it has more focus to grow on. You hear me? Wowzers, look at this. Sad. Anyways. But I do have been saving my seeds. That's why if you see the bags are hanging around in the trays, that's why I let seeds dry out, before, if depending on how wet they are and whatnot. And I collect them, bag the seeds with, you know what I'm saying? Bunch of brown pepper, green pepper, jalapeno pepper, you hear me? A bunch of peppers, you hear me? Different type of seeds. I got a whole vault for them, I feel like, but it's always more, to add. So, like I was saying, but yeah, like my biological father, as much as he didn't like the plants so much, I was that issue with him. He's knocking on the door one time to get in, and I happened to peep through the peephole to see who was knocking. And I saw it was him. He was over there looking on the balcony, sticking his head out, looking over his plant, and then I opened the door, he smiled. Just a hater. Just a hater. Sorry. These narcissists are all the same. Just wanted to give you an update. As far as too, because y'all know we did the Alkaline garden videos and updates and whatnot. Yeah. And two, as far as like why you think like the plants were dying, because one, we were just growing and we weren't, I guess, in the right climate for that. So that's what that's why it didn't work. It got colder. It's cold. It's Michigan. Light can do so much, and then two, it'd probably be better off with either aquaponics, hydroponics, or just straight up out the ground. But yep, this is to show you that you gotta get away from the narcissist. Gotta get away from the narcissist. Gotta continue to grow. I'm sorry if I'm just kind of like this, because like I'm saying, it is kind of sad. It is kind of sad because we did love these plants. We did, we still do. But it's just show you that, I'm just glad, at the end, At the end, you know, we were doing something regardless of how it was going to come out. We just said we had to do something because for the longest, we talk about growing our own food. And, you know, hey, people not even attempting. You know, people not even doing it. Of course, they have better conditions and whatnot. But, you know, we still got to what we got. If I could do it all over again, I believe I would just leave the narcissist. But, you know, must give a shout out to the American brother Dr. Sabi. Big ups, much appreciation. You know, because it's our alkaline garden, you hear me? You even have blackberries and whatnot. We added to it blueberries and stuff like that. But, yeah, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Y'all want to book a consultation? You know, we still got that up. Go ahead and check the links in the description box. Apparel, artwork, healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Business course in the link in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, daily uploads, and share this. Yeah. And the Narcissist community on YouTube does not talk about this. Plants growing and how they want to stop your growth and whatnot. So let me know if you guys want to hear more topics on that, as far as topics expanding on that, just other things pertaining towards that. You hear me? But yeah, still abundant, still great, still rich. Peace, love, and light.